Hello everyone, I am Shubham M. Chaudhary, lecturer at Kekewang Institute of Pharmacy. In today's lecture, we are going to study acids, bases, and buffers, and the theories of acids bases. First, the traditional theory and their concept: Arrhenius theory, Lowry-Bronsted theory, and Lewis theory. First, traditional theory: acids. Acids are the substances which converts blue litmus paper to red, having the pH less than 7, having sour taste, react with bases to form salt and water, for example hydrochloric acid. Bases. Bases are the substances which converts red litmus paper to blue, having pH greater than 7, are having bitter taste. When bases reacts with acid to form salt and water, for example sodium hydroxide. Arrhenius theory. In 1884, Svante Arrhenius stated that a theory also known as Arrhenius theory of ionization and electronic dissociation theory. This theory defined acids and bases according to their formation of ions when dissolved in water. According to Arrhenius, acid an acid is a substance that can release hydrogen ion or H plus ion when dissolved in water, or a substance which when dissolved in water gives hydrogen ions H plus ion is known as acid. For example, hydrochloric acid HCl dissolved in water gives H plus ions. Arrhenius theory of base. A base is a substance that can release hydroxyl ion OH minus ions when dissolved in water, or a substance which when dissolved in water gives hydroxyl ion or OH minus ions is known as base. For example, sodium hydroxide. NaOH dissolved in water gives Na plus ions and OH minus ions. Neutralization reaction. Acid react with base that form salt and water. That reaction is called as neutralization. Means there is a neutralization of acids and bases. That neutralization occurs and forms salts and water. For example, hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide that gives sodium chloride, salt and water. According to Arrhenius theory, neutralization is the process in which hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ions combine to form an ionized molecule or water, means sodium chloride and water. Limitations of Arrhenius theory. Water is essential. Not explain acidity or basicity of non-aqueous solvents, for example benzene. Basicity of ammonia, number of OH minus ions is not explained. Acidity of BF3, AlCl3, no H plus ions is not explained. Acidity of oxides of P block element CO2 is not explained. Basicity of oxides of S block element Na2O is not explained. And neutralization without absence of solvent is not explained in Arrhenius theory. Lowry-Bronsted theory. Proton theory of acids and bases. In 1923, the Danish chemist Johannes Nicholas Bronsted and English chemist Thomas Martin Lowry proposed the theory. Acid is the substance which donate the proton and base is the substance which accept the proton. Some terminologies. Amphoteric means a species that can act as an acid or a base. Water is an example of amphoteric species. Conjugate base. Species that remains after an acid donates H plus ions. Conjugate acid. Species that forms after a base accepts H plus ions. Lewis theory. In 1923, of scientist Jean Lewis proposed the theory in terms of chemical structure. Acid is the molecule or ion that accepts the lone pair of electron. For example, H plus, NH4 plus, Na plus, Cu plus, and Al plus. Base is the molecule or ions that donate the lone pair of electron. For example, OH minus, Cl minus, and Cn minus ions. Examples: boric acid, hydrochloric acid, strong ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and sodium hydroxide. These are the compounds we are going to study in that acid bases chapter. Buffers. A buffer is a solution that can resist the pH change upon the addition of an acidic or basic components. It is able to neutralize small amount of added acid or base, thus maintaining the pH of the solution relatively stable. This is important for the processes and or reactions which require specific and stable pH changes. Buffers that resist the change in the pH. So what is buffer system? A buffer system can be made of a weak acid and its salt or a weak base and its salt. A classic example of a weak acid base buffer is acetic acid and sodium acetate. A common weak base buffer is made up of ammonia and ammonium chloride, means ammonia and its salt. Types of buffer. On the basis of chemical nature, acidic buffer, basic buffer, and neutral buffer. On the basis of use, analytical buffers and pharmaceutical buffers. First, on the basis of chemical nature. Acidic buffers. It is the combination of weak acid and its corresponding salt. For example, mixture of acetic acid and sodium acetate. Basic buffer. Buffer, it is a combination of weak base and its corresponding salt. For example, mixture of ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. Neutral buffer. It is a single substance showing properties of buffer. For example, ammonium acetate. Buffer capacity. Buffer capacity is defined as moles of strong acid or strong base required to change the pH of 1 liter of solution by 1 unit. Properties of buffer. The pH of buffer solution is constant. The pH does not changes with dilution. The pH does not changes with even after addition of small quantities of acids or bases. Factors for selection of buffer, chemical factors and pharmaceutical factors. First, chemical factors. The buffer system should not react with other chemicals in the preparation. It should have reasonable chemical stability. Buffer capacity depends on absolute concentrations of each buffer compound. Pharmaceutical factors. Toxicity of buffers. Some of the buffers have limited use in the pharmaceutical practices because of their toxicity. Effects on the pharmaceutical actions of the preparation. Buffer system should not interact with the action of ingredient of preparation. Contamination by microorganisms. Many buffer systems support the microbial growth as they can serve as a nutrient media for molds when their pH is at neutrality. Role of buffer. The buffers are in the pharmaceutical preparations to ensure the stable pH conditions for medicinally active compounds. Solubility of many compounds is controlled by providing suitable pH. Color of many compounds is pH dependent. pH gives stability to different preparations. It provides patient comfort. Penicillin preparation are stabilized by addition of carbonates, and citric acid is used for stabilizing milk magnesia. Boric acid. Molecular formula H3BO3 and molecular weight 61.83. Synonym is orthoboric acid, Acidium boricum. Method of preparation: borax with sulfuric acid in presence of water. Physical properties: it is white crystalline powder, odorless, soluble in water, soluble in ethanol, and soluble in glycerin. Chemical properties: reaction with turmeric paper, boric acid turns into brown color, and reaction with glycerin, boric acid plus glycerin dissolve and forms a glyceroboric acid or a glyceroboric complex. Action on heating: when boric acid heated at 100 degrees Celsius, it converted to metaboric acid. When at 160 degrees Celsius, it forms tetraboric acid, and up to red hot, that forms boron trioxide. Uses: it is used as a local anti-infective, to maintain the acidic pH medium in medicaments, preparations of buffer solution, in ophthalmic preparations as a dusting powder, and a preparation of ointment. Storage: it should be stored in a well-closed container at cool place. Second is hydrochloric acid. Molecular formula HCl and molecular weight 36.46. Synonym: spirit of salt, muriatic acid, acidium hydrochloricum. Method of preparation: concentrated sulfuric acid react with sodium chloride, that forms HCl. Properties: clear colorless liquid, pungent odor, miscible with water, miscible with alcohol, and it is a fuming liquid. Chemical properties: reaction with metals, hydrochloric acid react with sodium gives sodium chloride and evolution of hydrogen gas. Reaction with alkali, hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide gives sodium chloride and water. Uses: as a pharmaceutical aid or an acidifying agent in dilute condition, solvent in industry, for manufacturing of basic pharmaceuticals, reagent in laboratory. Storage conditions: it should be stored in a well-closed container of a glass at a room temperature not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. Strong ammonium hydroxide. Molecular formula NH3 and molecular weight 17.03. Synonym: ammonia solution, ammonium hydroxide, strong ammonium water, liquor ammoniate fortis. Method of preparation: by mixing ammonium chloride with slaked lime. Properties: physical properties: clear odorless liquid, pungent odor, characteristic taste, miscible with water, aqueous solution is strongly alkaline in nature. Chemical properties: reaction with acid, react with acid it forms salt and water, reaction with cations, react with acid it form complex. Uses: as an alkalizing agent, reflux stimulant for a fainted person, vasoconstrictor, strong base, antacid, and reagent in laboratory. Storage condition: it should be stored in a well-closed amber-colored container with a rubber stopper at a cool place. Incompatibility with iodine, explosive compound, heavy metals, silver salts, and tannins. Calcium hydroxide. Molecular formula CaOH2 and molecular weight 74.10. Synonym: slaked lime or lime water. Method of preparation: by treating calcium chloride with sodium hydroxide. Physical properties: white amorphous powder, slight bitter taste, slightly soluble in water, insoluble in alcohol, and soluble in glycerin. Chemical properties: reaction with hydrochloric acid. On reaction with hydrochloric acid, it gives calcium chloride and water. On effect of heating, On strong heating, it loses water and converted into calcium oxide. Uses as antacid, astringent, fluid electrolyte, emulsifying agent, absorbs carbon dioxide, making of glass, and whitewashing of cloth. Storage condition, it should be stored in airtight container at a cool place. Sodium hydroxide. Molecular formula NaOH and molecular weight 40. Synonym caustic soda and soda lime. Method of preparation by treating sodium carbonate with lime water. Properties: white amorphous pellets, slight bitter taste, soluble in water, soluble in alcohol, soluble in glycerin, and deliquescent in nature. Chemical properties: reaction with HCl, sodium hydroxides react with hydrochloric acid, gives sodium chloride and water. Reaction with carbon dioxide, it absorbs carbon dioxide from the air to form a sodium carbonate. It is used as alkalizing agent, disinfectant for animal houses, for preparation of soaps. It absorbs CO2 gas, common laboratory reagent. It should be stored in airtight container at a cool place. Common properties of H3BO3, HCl, NH3, CaOH2 and NaOH. Colorless or white color, HCl and NH3 are liquid and H3BO3, CaOH2 and NaOH are solids. Are characteristic odor, soluble in water, soluble in alcohol, except calcium hydroxide. Thank you.